Good morning everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So we were still messing around with this previous high, the top of this pin bar here, and that is at 57.42. We've had a bit of a break after hours at the moment. I wouldn't read too much into that right now. I think you are looking for opportunities lower down. So I don't think we're going to be dropping down to close the gap or even down to 56.79 or 56.80. I don't think that's going to be on the cards. I think what you do have here is a fairly strong indication that the buyers are waiting lower down and not that low. Now when we get all down to the 3 hour, nothing on the oscillators helps us, nothing on the moving averages, but we do have, get that level exact, but we definitely do have a triangle, and it could be a break at the moment. Let's do that. So it could be a break of that flat top triangle right now, but it is after hours, so I wouldn't worry too much about it just yet. I think what you should be doing is, as per yesterday, waiting for the structure lower down. Now it was another messy day. You can see big down, big up, big down, big up. So would not be surprised to see it come back down. And let's just put the gap in. That would definitely be something to pay attention to. And we want to try and line up with this diagonal here. Move that onto the tail. Give me 1 sec, we'll get it now. There we go. Right, so that is the diagonal level of support. So you can actually just extend it further up. Right, and wherever you have a level that intersects this is pretty much where I would expect price to come down to. So levels I'd be waiting for are going to be 57.42, 57.36 and 57.33. Those are the only ones that I think are going to be in play. I don't think this one at 57.27 will be in play. Been wrong before, but you know, I would be waiting for inside bars, pin bars, or engulfing bars on those levels. And as soon as you see them, you can pick it up off the 15-minute. Your entry is above that price action, and you are looking for this break to happen. I'd also just keep the high of yesterday and the high of Tuesday on your charts, because it could be top of range, but I think it would also be juicy targets. So in other words, from, let's say we pull back onto the gap here at 57.37 area, gives you 129 points and probably about 65-50 point risk. So that's kind of the structure that I would see. Yesterday was a very, very messy. And you can see this inside bar level at 57.20, which we did have in our charts yesterday. That's exactly where the buyers came in, but basically going into the close. So it was a bit of a mess yesterday. Anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. There's nothing else to it. You're looking for, you don't want to be jumping in long up here. Wait for the pullback on structure. I think this gap is probably the most juiciest one, but you're probably looking at any one of these levels, and this diagonal would be the last line of defense. Break that and retest it, then we'd be looking for a little bit more structure lower down. So it is messy, it is difficult. If you are going to be trading, you want to be able to have the patience to wait for structure, and then also you want to have small position sizes. Don't want to jump in with a massive position size. Anything can happen. This could flip into a range and then just drop to the downside, and then all the way down to 56, well, first 5700, then 5680. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my view for today. Onwards and upwards, but just be very cautious about it. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.